Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to change Instagram notification sound. So let's get started. So if you want to change your Instagram's notification sound, then what you can do is just simply open up your Instagram application. After opening up your Instagram application, just tap on the profile icon which is on the bottom right corner of your screen. Then tap on the three bar icon which is on the top right. After tapping on that three bar icon, now what you can do is just tap on notifications, and inside your notification you will find this option which is from Instagram. Just tap on from Instagram, and after tapping on from Instagram, scroll all the way down and you will find this option which is additional options in system settings. Just tap on it, and after tapping on that option, now you'll come up to this page where you will find all notification options of your Instagram. So after scrolling down here, you can see I got alerts, I got comment, like, first post and story, friends on Instagram, comments, recommends, likes, and other following options. So now what you can do is you can set a customized notification sound to every single option that you can see over here. So now here you can find this option which is new followers. So after tapping on that option, now I can add a separate notification sound to this new followers. So if a new follower adds in my Instagram account, what will happen is I will get a notification sound according to the sound that I have set. So for example, just tap on advanced, and after tapping on advanced, just tap on sound, and after tapping on sound, here you can find this following options. So these are the default notification inside your device. So you can see the following bunch of notifications in your device which are pre-built. So if you don't like any of these notifications, then what you can do is you can add a customized notification sound. So to do that, what you can do is just tap on add notifications, and before tapping on add notification, what you have to do is you have to download an audio file from a browser or from anywhere that you like. So just download an audio file which you would like to set as a notification sound on your Instagram account. So now what you can do is every audio file or anything that you download from a browser or from any software, what will happen is that will be saved inside your downloads. So what you can do is just tap on the three bar icon which is on the top left, and then tap on downloads, and most of the time you will find all the files that you have downloaded from a browser inside your download section. So just select the audio file that you have downloaded, and after selecting that audio file that you have just downloaded, what you can do is you can set that audio file as a ringtone. So you can do that, but I don't have an audio file, so what I'll do is just I'll select an option from here and then tap on OK. So now if someone follows me on Instagram, what will happen is I will receive a notification sound according to that. So now if you'll just head over to your likes, and then to your likes you can add a separate notification sound. Just tap on advanced and then tap on sound, and now if you'll select a separate notification sound, what will happen is now if someone likes my post or likes at my comment, what will happen is I will receive a separate notification sound to that. So you can add a separate notification sound to each option that you can find inside your all Instagram notification settings. So now you can customize your notification the way you like. So that's it guys, this is how to change Instagram notification sound. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.